Hi and welcome back to the Message Centre update with me, Mark Stokes. Today we've got quite a few updates to go through, so I apologise if there's a long stream of videos that are about to be published here, but I need to catch up on where the Message Centre is currently at. So first of all, we're going to talk about MC239092. This is a Message Centre update regarding new lists having versioning enabled by default. So pretty self-explanatory this one, so I won't keep you too long, but basically new lists that you create in SharePoint Online are going to have versioning enabled by default. This will be set to record 50 major versions, and that can be changed in the way you can normally change versions tracking on lists, and this will be for new lists only. So any existing lists won't be affected and they won't be changed. If you don't want versioning, you can turn it off, but there's nothing else that really needs to happen. So this will be rolling out around mid-February 2021, so this should already be there. I'm recording these a little bit later, a couple of weeks after, it's early March, so hopefully you're already starting to see this. So it might be worth going out communicating with users just so they're aware. There's some benefits that come with this as well. If users are changing their list, they can go back and view previous versions of it. So there's some advantages of this happening. Obviously, we don't need to worry about our own SQL databases now, so that's definitely beneficial for a lot of people. Anyway, nice short one today. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you next time.